How to set up Amazon Seller Central account 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Amazon Seller Central account and how you're going to be setting it up. Now, to set it up, you're going to start by going to the official Amazon Seller Central account website. And once you're on the homepage, click on the button that says sign up. Now, you'll need to choose between an individual or professional selling plan. The individual plan is best if you plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month, while the professional plan is designed for larger volumes and business. After selecting the appropriate plan, Amazon will prompt you to log in with an existing account. So if you don't have one, you can simply create one for yourself. Pretty straightforward. So just go ahead and create the account for yourself. And once you are logged in, you'll be required to fill in the business and personal details, including your legal name, business type, country of operation, and contact information. Next, obviously, as you go on, registering as a seller, Amazon will ask you to provide identification and verification documents. These may include a government-issued ID, bank account number, and a credit card for billing verification. Amazon is known for its strict seller verification process, so make sure the name and address on your documents match your application exactly. And obviously, once verified, you'll proceed to add tax information and others. Now, you're going to declare your business entity as well, individual or company, and submit your tax identification number, which Amazon will use to generate year-end reports like 1099K in the US or local equivalents elsewhere. Now, after the tax interview, you will simply be taken to your Seller Central dashboard, where you can start adding in products through your inventory and setting up shipping. So once all of that is done, that is your account set up. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.